how to set the keyboard button on navigation bar to show on left or right side on the Samsung Galaxy A15 or A16. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Now at the bottom here, tap on the left-hand side panel on the keyboard navigation and keyboard button on navigation bar. And from here, you can choose Show on left side or Show on right side. So if I select Show on left side, then on my keyboard it shows this button here on the left side. If I choose to show on the right side, then the button will be shown on the right side of the keyboard. And that's it. So you can choose to show on the left side or right side. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.